Hello kids, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn some 2D and 3D shape. So let's start. These are our colors. It is yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow color. It is orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange color. It is blue color, B-L-U-E, blue, blue color. It is green, G-R-E-E-N, green color. It is pink, P-I-N-K, pink, pink color. It is red, R-E-D, red, red color. This one is black color. Now let us draw the shapes. It is smiley, smiley emoji. It is cube. Cube is a 3D shape. Triangle. It is 2D shape. Rhombus or diamond. It is 2D shape. It is rounded corner rectangle. It is 2D shape. It is cross. It is 2D shape. Now let us color the shapes. It is pink color. It is smiley emoji. It is light green color. It is cube. Cube is a 3D shape. It is blue color. It is equilateral triangle. It is a 2D shape. It is orange color. It is rhombus or diamond. It is 2D shape. It is yellow color. It is rounded corner rectangle. It is 2D shape. It is red color. It is cross. It is a 2D shape. Kids, let us recall shape's name and color name once again. It is smiley, pink color, cube, green color, equilateral triangle, blue color, rhombus or diamond, orange color, rounded rectangle, yellow color, cross, red color. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.